Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening today.
Oh my god. The amount today.
It's never gonna end. This will go on YouTube.
You should put that on YouTube.
And it's going to
To
go on
say an
YouTube.
army of motorbikes is trying to kill me.
As soon as every single one leaves. As soon as every single one leaves, it's gonna be. Shut up! Plug your ears, everybody! Ah! Shut up!
Shut up and dance for me. Get up and get off the bike and dance with me. Bye bye, elephant.
Dude, I can feel the ground shaking. Come on! Just give me some YouTube attention!
Yeah, guys. Are you still videoing?
I have to keep it up to a minute. Ah!
Oh, I fell off.
Ah!
Oh, I fell off. Oh, my belly, I can feel it. Oh! What's that car?
Wait, where's Garfield?
Yeah, Garfield. Whoa, what car is that? Oh, look at that one guy.
Look at that freaking bug. Man, look at that freaking bug. Yes, sir. It's your Just come on. Uh-huh.
Oh, look at that one. That Yamaha bike.
Yamaha.
Hello, Yamaha.
It's not it's not Yamaha, it's Yamaha. It's not Yamaha. It's Yamaha.
This is
That's
actually unstoppable. A group of motorbikes against one gun. Impossible.
Yeah.
There's still more coming.
This is why does he have his lights on? Why does he have his lights on?
Loads of them have their lights on.
And why does he have his lights on?
Most of them have their lights on.
Turn off your lights, it's daytime.
Look at the
11 o'clock.
Look how small it is.
Oh, shut up.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Give me some YouTube attention again. Beep. Beep. Everyone, you might think this is boring, but if you're actually here, it's actually pretty cool. You can feel the ground rumbling. Oh my god. Finally calm down. I'm gonna post it to YouTube.
You still gotta keep going. What was that? Where's the three-wheeler?
Oh, I think that's the one with... No, it's not the one with Shrek on it. No, I think Shrek already passed.
Yeah, Shrek already did that.
I think so.
There's Vespa! There's Vespa! Vespa. Despacito. Vespa, despacito. Vespa.
Ah!
The Vespas.
Come on!
Come on, Vespas.
Ah!
Vespas, come on. Some Vespas.
How long is this gonna be?
The Vesitos.
Oh my god, there is a dog.
The Vespasitos.
There's a dog. There's a nose right there on the wall.
Despacito.
Sigma, Sigma, on the wall. Who's the skibbidiest of them all? Me, I'm the skibbidiest. You underestimate my skibbity power.
Skippy Twilo.
Oh. Run back.
There's a motorbike. You're missing them.
Oh, I like that green one. That green one's class. But look
There
at
are the three-wheeler.
the 3. Is that it?
No, there's still more.
Oh, how much?
Oh, I see Connor.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Connor, come on.
These are destroying my YouTube attention.
How's it going?
These are destroying.
No, I'm down here, Sam.
Yep, I'm still. Is that it?
Aye.
Oh, give me something good. Give me something good for once. Oh.
Sam, boys, get the garage. It's getting wide and proud here. It's okay, you're down there. John, no, John. John, no, no, no.
That blue one.
Okay, this is the end of the video.